Good day to you, gentlemen. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Take a few seconds and hit that like and subscribe button so that you can continue to follow me on the content as I deliver it to you. Today, we're going to discuss building your freedom through structure and routine. Here we go. Discipline is often viewed as some sort of restrictive force, but yet, it's fundamentally the cornerstone of personal freedom. Self-discipline fosters the ability to make intentional choices that align with one's values and goals. Historical reflection reveals how various philosophies and practices have championed discipline as a means to achieve autonomy, highlighting that true freedom is not merely the absence of constraints, but the ability to direct one's life purposefully. In several cultures, from Stoicism and ancient Rome to Eastern philosophies like Buddhism, the emphasis on discipline has remained central. These schools of thought suppose that through self-control and restraint, individuals can significantly enhance their autonomy. For instance, Stoicism advocates for emotional regulation and rational decision-making as tools to navigate life's challenges, effectively showing that discipline allows for greater control over one's responses and choices. This aspect of discipline is crucial, as it empowers you to rise above the chaos of daily pressures, enabling you, yes you, to pursue long-term aspirations instead of succumbing to short-term temptations. Brothers, you gotta get this. Self-discipline is instrumental in decision-making processes. When we cultivate habits of discipline, they develop a framework through which we can evaluate choices critically. Yeah. The connection between discipline and freedom becomes evident as you recognize that. By exercising self-discipline, you liberate yourself from the pitfalls of indecision, procrastination, and distraction. Ultimately, the path to a liberated life is paved with the bricks of discipline, very big bricks. Embracing this principle enables you to forge a meaningful existence where every choice serves your best interests and aspirations, allowing for true personal freedom to flourish. Just an FYI, we will be diving deeper into this topic and principle in the next several videos. I know you're ready. Crafting an effective morning routine. Establishing a morning routine is an essential component to fostering productivity and mental clarity throughout the day. The significance of a well-structured morning ritual lies in its ability to set a positive tone for the hours that follow. When you incorporate specific actions and practices into the early part of the day, you can effectively prepare yourself to tackle daily challenges. That type of start to your morning not only boosts mental health, but also promotes better time management skills. I'm speaking from personal experience. Trust me, it will change your life. An effective morning routine begins with time management strategies that can streamline your mornings. Allocate a set time for waking up each day and ensure that you adhere to this schedule even on weekends. It's in the consistency that helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier for you to rise refreshed. Incorporate activities that promote mental clarity. It is important in establishing a successful routine. Engage in exercise or stretching that will certainly invigorate the body while preparing your mind for the day ahead. Prayer or meditation. You fellas know I believe in prayer. It goes a long way to strengthen your day. Simple disciplines like these help foster mindfulness, allowing us to cultivate a state of calm and focus. You can't communicate effectively with others if you haven't communicated with yourself. Check that out. Check that out. Customize your mornings. Carve out time for yourself. You create a profound sense of autonomy and control over your day. This is what reinforces the principles of discipline and structure, brothers. I hope this helps you and gives you a little guidance along the way. Check out my website, link below, and check out my first book, The Modern Man System. It's not bad for the first try. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom. Shalom.